Hey everyone, so we are over at Libby. This is the app. You can get it from the Apple Play Store or the Apple App Store, sorry, or the Google Play Store. And this is what it looks like on your phone. So to add a library account, a library card, you're going, well, it'll probably pop up if you don't already have a Libby. If it's your first time logging in. But for me, it will look like clicking on the little lady down here at the bottom, and we're going to click on, we are the Capital Area Library District. We are the headquarters for Capital Area Library District. That includes Perry County and Cumberland County. I'm going to click on yellow. Add another card. So you can see with my DCLS card, I can have 6 loans and 10 holds, and I will show you what that means later. Add another card. Choose a location. We are Dauphin County Library System, and card number is CD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my already access account, and the PIN. Sign in. Cool, I'm signed in, and here's my library card. I'm going to rename it to ARA, which means already access, so I know what's going on. And so now we can browse Libby. There are a lot of titles and things you can browse by. We have magazines. You can see new things that were just added. Things like that. Cookbooks. I mean, these change all the time. But I like to browse them. If you're looking for popular books or, well, I like to click on available now because I don't like to wait. So these are things that are available now. They'll say borrow on them. So these are all available now, or you can search by going to the little magnifying glass, and we're going to search Akata Witch like we did over there because I know we have it. And we're going to search. And so we see that this is available, so we can borrow it if we want to. We can click on it if we're not too sure. So this is the e-audiobook, and you can tell because it'll have the little earphones down here with how long the recording is. We can play a sample if we're not sure we want to fully download it. We can add a tag. I have tags for what we're reading for book club, books that I liked, I have already read, or like TBA, books I want to read, things like that. So you can read the description here. You can see that it is a series. This is the first in the series. Other details like this, when it came out, who the audience is for, the author, the narrator, if you want books by, you really like this narrator, things like that. And so we will hit borrow, and I have multiple library cards, but you will only see Capital Area Library District, so click on that, and then you will borrow for 21 days. So you can open the audiobook on here and it'll play, or you can keep browsing, or you can go to your shelf, which it will show you what you already have out. I am waiting to borrow The Secret History, and I'm currently reading The Shining, so you can see that. So cool. So that's how that works. For an ebook, I'm going to go back and show you an ebook. So this one's already on our loan shelf, so we will click on it, and it would say borrow, but we have already borrowed it. So you can read it with Kindle, or you can read it on the Libby app, and it'll keep your place and all that. And then, fun fact, if you don't finish the book and then later get the book again, it will take you back to the place you left off automatically. So that's really fun. So that's Libby. Big fan of Libby. Really easy to use. Next, I will be showing you how to use some of our online resources.